Hello, I'm Henry Haddad, and I've created these videos so that you can have a quick understanding of the three types of American immigration visas so that you and your family can come to America. Over the years, I've heard thousands of stories from people about how frustrating the immigration process can be, how complex and complicated the rules and regulations are, and all the misunderstandings that they have about the immigration laws itself. The most frequent and most recurring misunderstanding is that if you have a child born in America, that you automatically become a U.S. citizen. So let me tell you right now that that's completely wrong. I want you to throw out all your misconceptions that you have about immigration and listen to these videos because I've simplified the process. I want you to think about the option of coming to America. I want you to think about a stable and secure environment for you and your family, especially if you're living in a country that's unstable politically. And I want you to consider what your next step action process will be, so that if this is something you want to do, you'll know exactly what you need to do, how long the process will be, in a simple and concise manner. Before I begin, let me tell you something about me. I'm an immigration lawyer with 30 years of experience in helping investors, business people, families, and skilled workers immigrate to America from all over the world. These people come to America because of business, political reasons, or to reunite with their long-lost family members, or even just to start a new life and make lots of money. My law firm has experience in handling all types of immigration visas, and we help advise and guide clients go through this process so that it's the least amount of stress for them and their families. And I'm also an immigrant myself. I was born in Egypt, and when I was young, my parents decided to immigrate to America. And let me tell you, it was not an easy decision. I saw my parents go through a period of time where they were frustrated, where they were stressed out about them first thing, whether they should leave their own country. That's not an easy decision. Leaving a home where you're familiar with the taste, the cultures, the road, the way of life, the language, and going to an unknown place. You have to think about what place you want to immigrate to. There were considerations of what's the country that's going to provide the most opportunity for their children, where they're going to be in the future, years to come, the best education, a stable environment. At that time, many people are moving to different places in the world. People are moving to Europe, Australia, Canada, and America. At the end of the day, my parents decided to come to America, and I'm happy that they did. I've taken this experience that my family went through to help those that are making similar decisions, to help them go through this process with the least amount of stress and with planning ahead so that they and their family can come to America and start a fruitful life. So getting back to the American immigration visas, the three main types are family-based visas. This is for people who have a husband or wife, children, parents, or brother and sister living in America. Employment-based visas. This is for people who are educated or who possess skills that are in demand in America and have found a sponsor or an employer who's willing to hire them. Investment-based visas. This is for entrepreneurs and investors who can afford to establish a presence in America for themselves and their families by investing in a business project or in a regional center. In the family-based video, you're going to learn the difference between family members who are citizens versus residents, where to check online for quotas and wait times or periods. In the employment-based video, you're going to learn the requirements for being able to work in America on a permanent basis, who employment-based immigration is for, and how to start the process through a temporary visa called the H-1B visa. In the investment-based video, you're going to learn how investment visas are the fastest way to come to America, an overview of the different types of investment visas and the advantages and disadvantages of each, and the best way to begin the application process. At the end of the day, you want safety and security for your family, a quality education for your children, to be in a country that allows you to innovate and be creative, to be in a country that's open for business to people from all over the world and from all religions. You want to be in a country that allows you and your family to have opportunities to succeed. You want to be in a country that allows you to be yourself. If you feel you are currently living in a country with an unstable political system, an uncertain economy, lack of business and employment opportunities, and little or no laws protecting your business and assets, then it's important to plan ahead to ensure a stable life for you and your family. You need to decide how you are going to make the best living in your home country, or whether immigrating to America is your best option for success. Please watch the 3 videos below to see which type of American immigration visa is right for you and your family's needs. You can start watching the videos by clicking on the video icon below. When you click the video, it will enlarge and start playing. I look forward to talking to you soon, and take care.